Good day, everyone. Today we will be discussing all about inverse proportion. Now, let's try to find out what is an inverse proportion. When we say inverse proportion, an increase in one quantity means a proportional decrease in the other quantity or vice versa. Let's have this example. If the teacher assigned students to clean the classroom or cleaners for the day, if there will be 8 students who will clean the classroom, it will take them 30 minutes to finish cleaning. Now, if there will be 20 students who will clean the classroom, it will take them only 12 minutes to finish cleaning the classroom. Now, what we have observed here is that whenever the number of students increases, therefore, the number of time cleaning the classroom decreases. And that is really true, because if there are many students who will clean the classroom, the more number of students, the lesser time for them to finish cleaning. So that is what we call inverse. There is an opposite reaction. Now let's try to have this example here. If 8 people take 50 days to build a house, how many days do 10 people need to build one? Okay, so is this in an inverse proportion? Yes, of course. Because if there are many people who will work the house or to build the house, therefore, it will only take few days for them to finish. The more number of people, the lesser time for them to finish, or the lesser days for them to finish building a house. So therefore, this is an example of an inverse proportion. Now, how to solve inverse proportion? This is different with direct proportion. So this will be the first step. All you need to do is to identify now the ratio. So we have 8 people is to 50 days. So if there will be 8 people, it will take them 50 days to build a house. Now the question here is that, how many days do 10 people need to build one? So since 10 here is talking about people, so of course, we will put that one here, 10. Why? Because we would say 8 people, 50 days. So we should also say people, days. Then the question here is that, how many days do 10 people need to build one or to build a house? Okay, since this is inverse, do not try to forget there is another way to solve the problem. Students and viewers, you should really analyze the problem carefully. I am saying that this is inverse simply because if the number of people increases, therefore the number of days decreases. Okay. Now, since we need to find out the number of days to finish to build a house, having 10 people, okay, the thing we need to do here is that you have to multiply here. Okay, so you have to multiply the terms in this ratio. So that will be 8 times 50, and that will be 400. Okay, this is the different way to solve, unlike with the direct proportion. Then after that one, all you need to do is to divide. 400 divided by the remaining number here, which is 10. So you could say 400 divided by 10, and that gives you 40. So therefore, the answer here is, I will erase this. The answer here is 40. So meaning to say, if the number of people from 8 to 10, it is increasing or increases, therefore, the number of days from 50, it becomes 40, it is decreasing. So that's it. So therefore, if there are 8 people, there you will need to build the house within 50 days. But if you have 10 people, you will just build the house within 40 days. Now let's try to have another example. If 4 pipes can fill a pool in 25 minutes, how long would it take 10 pipes to fill the same pool? Now again, All the students out there, you need to analyze, is this inverse? Is this direct proportion? Now, let's try to analyze. This is an inverse proportion. Why? Because if there will be more number of pipes, therefore, the number of minutes will be lessened. Okay, if there are many pipes who will fill the pool with water, of course, the number of time will be lessened. Okay, so the ratio here is that 4 pipes, I'll just write 4 pipes. Okay, pipes. Okay, and 25 minutes. 4 pipes is to 25 minutes. Now, in the second sentence, it's stated here, okay, for a while. How long would it take 10 pipes to fill the same pool? So therefore, we will put 10 pipes or 10 in the first first term. Okay, why? Because we are talking pipes and minutes. Now, so we need to find out how many minutes will it take 10 pipes to fill the same pool. So again, since we are talking about inverse, and the procedure for inverse is like this. You need to multiply the terms in the ratio that are complete, or the terms that are complete in the ratio. Okay, 4 times 25, that gives you 4 times 25, that gives you 100. Okay? And 100 divided by 10, that gives us 100 divided by 10, that gives us 10. Okay? So if there are 10 pipes, of course, you will just fill the pool in 10 minutes. 10 people, 10 minutes. So let's try to check if this is really inverse. From 4 pipes, the number of pipes, from 4 it becomes 10, it is increasing. The number of minutes, from 25, it becomes 10, it is decreasing. So therefore, this is an inverse proportion. I hope students out there, you really have to watch the video and try to understand the concept. If you have some questions, you can comment down below and I will be glad to answer all of them. So thank you for listening and have a nice day.